Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the April cloth and paper subscription box. So I'm actually pretty excited because for the first time, I don't know what's in this box. Generally I see a photo, or I don't even think I saw a sneak peek for this box, to be completely honest. But I normally, like, there's already another video up, or I've seen like photos on Instagram, because I generally get mine a little bit later. So I'm actually really excited because this is actually gonna be a surprise. So let's open this up and share what's inside. So first up is this art print. So you can cut it down and put it in your planner. You can put it on your wall. I like to put them on my clipboards, just if there's nothing up front. So that way it adds like a little decorative touch and it looks nicer. As for the contents in the box, they actually changed up the card. So it used to just be like a full list, and now they've broken it down by inserts, dashboards, accessories, and journaling cards. And then you actually get previews on the back. So let's start with accessories. So it actually looks like they sent me the wrong size. So I think I got A6 for those inserts. Yeah, so they sent me A6, and I think I'm the only person in the planner community without an A6 planner. So I'm gonna contact customer service after this, but it's fine. I can still show y'all everything, and their customer service is amazing. So first up is these home refresh and renovation inserts. And so you get 18 pages, and then it says that there's a demo page included on the back of the slip sheet. So let's take a look at that. So this is the slip sheet, the one where it tells you what size it is. So here's an idea of how you can use these. So up front you have a to-do list, supply list, and notes. And then on the back, you actually get a space layout and planning section. And then you can highlight the space. I would love I wish these would have came in the right size. Because as y'all know, I'm like updating my office. We're updating like almost every room in the house. So these would have been perfect. But you can use these different ways. You can use the grid to like map out rooms. That's what I will probably do on the grid, and then put everything up front. But here's the demo. And then the inserts. And again, there's 18 in here, so there's plenty. After that, we have the dashboards. So we have the home infographic dashboard. We have the self-cultivation, a paint texture, and then quote. And so we have all of these. And then this one is a vellum, so you can layer it like on top of the paint dashboard. And then that's all the planners and dashboards in this box. After that, we have a Angora grid notepad. It looks like there is 50 sheets, and it's 4x6. So you can use this to map out rooms. Another fun thing is the erasable gel pen. So you get an erasable gel pen in the stationery box. So I don't get the Penspiration boxes. This pen does come in the stationery box, and it's actually pretty cool. So okay, y'all, I feel so stupid. So I'm over here trying to figure out how to use the pen. And I was like, oh, does the pen not work either? No, complete user error. So I'm used to pens like you click and then it comes out, or like, you can twist. So for this pen, you have to use the handle to press down. So I feel stupid. If this happened to you, don't feel stupid. I've never had a pen that does this, so that's strange. That's also gonna take some getting used to, but that makes sense because the eraser's up top, and if you would erase, then it could click your pen. But I've had erasable pens before, and that's normally what they've done. So I really like that they did that. So your pen, when you're erasing, it doesn't move, like the pen itself doesn't move. So that's smart to do it this way. But let's test this out really quick. I can't believe I was struggling to open a pen. So let's do pen test on here. Let's take a second for it to dry, and yeah. A cool thing is if you're like planning something out, like let's do, oh, that's very sloppy, not straight. But if you're like trying to plan your room out and you're like, office And you know, if it's me, like my desk is over here by a window. And maybe I'm like, oh, maybe we can put it over here. No, I don't like that idea. Let's not put it over there. Let's keep it here. Then I can erase it. It is a gel pen and it does write like one. So it does go on like really smooth. It looks like I write really hard with pens, so I'm not sure if it's me. It does a good job of erasing it, but maybe if I write softer. So let's do pen test. If it'll come out more, because like you can still see like the faint line when you write. So I wrote that a little bit softer. So let's see if that does a better job of erasing. Oh yeah, so it's like completely gone. So if you write like really hard, like I write really hard, you'll get like a faint line. But if you write pretty soft, like if you see it, you can still kind of see it in the light, but otherwise this does a really good job of erasing your marks. So just write lightly and then it'll erase. But that's a pen test and the new gel pen. And then after that, we have the accessories. So we have the new Cortado page flags as well as the Arrow sticky notes. So this is a gray. So here is the page flag on here. Let me show y'all what it looks like over text. Personally, I like seeing that. And then I like keeping a page flag on the back so that way I can see the color on how it looks on paper, because when they're together, it looks like a different color than on paper. So I always like to keep one on the back. So that's the Cortado page flag. And then we have the Arrow sticky notes. So I love these sticky notes. If y'all watch like my planner videos or see my pages on Instagram, I use these to block out when I work in my planner on days where there's like not other things. Like here you can see, like I work 8 to 4. And so it's the perfect fit. And then it just blocks out when I work. And that's how I like using them. You can also use them to like highlight notes and different things to fit anywhere, but that's how I like to use them. But we have these, and this is the matte. And then last items in the box are journaling cards. So there's not that many this month. You have the monthly views, and then you have the From the Ashes quote card and the Make Art quote card. Oops, this one's upside down. No, that one was upside right. Sorry, I'm a little bit of a mess today, but here are these. And then that is everything in the box. So I really like this box. I wish these came in the right size because I would love to show y'all how they look in my planner and how I'm gonna use them. I'll probably layer these two in my home section, and then hopefully customer service, I can exchange these for the A5. But I'll put like these two together and I'll put them in front of the home refresh inserts whenever I get them in. And then I might even add this one in here. I don't know, we'll see. But when those come in, of course, I'll share an update with y'all. But yeah, other than that, that is everything that came in this box. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching.